Have you been dreaming of upgrading your camera setup but worried about the cost? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best budget-friendly cameras in 2025. These cameras are packed with powerful features like 4K video, crisp image sensors, and smart autofocus, all at prices that won't drain your wallet, and we have ranked them from entry-level to the best overall value. So if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below, and if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking off at number 5, we have the Kodak PixPro AZ528, our pick for the best budget super zoom camera. If you love getting close-up shots without physically moving, this camera is a hidden gem. It features a massive 52x optical zoom lens, essentially giving you the ability to pull distant subjects right into frame. With a 16-megapixel sensor, built-in image stabilization, and a surprisingly sturdy design for its price, the AZ528 delivers good results in bright lighting. It even runs on AA batteries, which is incredibly convenient for travel or outdoor shoots when charging isn't an option. But the autofocus can feel a bit slow in low light. The zoom power, however, makes it ideal for wildlife, sports, or outdoor events. This isn't the camera for someone chasing professional-level detail, but if you're starting out or simply want an affordable all-rounder that captures faraway subjects, the PixPro AZ528 offers solid value at under $300. At number 4, we have the Panasonic Lumix ZS80, our pick for the best compact travel camera. Designed for portability, this model slips right into your pocket while still delivering a versatile 30x zoom lens and sharp 20.3 megapixel images. Its standout feature is the ability to record in 4K, producing smooth and detailed video that rivals pricier options. The ZS80 also comes with a responsive touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi for instant sharing, and reliable optical image stabilization to keep handheld shots steady. Battery life is impressive for its size, and the build feels premium despite the lightweight design. What makes this camera different from others in the budget range is its perfect balance of portability and versatility. It's an ideal choice for frequent travelers, family vacation photos, or anyone who doesn't want to carry bulky gear. If you want a pocket-sized companion that can capture landscapes, cityscapes, or zoomed-in portraits without compromise, the Lumix ZS80 should be high on your list. Coming in at number 3, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7, our pick for the best entry-level DSLR camera. This is where things get exciting for anyone serious about learning photography. The T7 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, producing excellent color accuracy and sharp detail. Paired with the included 18 to 55 mm kit lens, it offers versatility for portraits, landscapes, and everyday shots. The optical viewfinder and manual controls give you the classic DSLR experience, helping beginners learn the fundamentals of shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Canon's guided modes also make it less intimidating for first-time users. On the other hand, unlike compact cameras, the Rebel T7 grows with you since it's compatible with Canon's vast range of lenses. While its 1080p video capabilities aren't as advanced as modern mirrorless options, the still photography experience is where this camera shines. It's perfect for students, hobbyists, or anyone who wants a dependable DSLR to learn and improve their skills without overspending. At number 2, we've got the Sony ZV-1F, our pick for the best budget vlogging camera. Built with creators in mind, this compact powerhouse is loaded with features that make video content look polished straight out of the box. It sports an ultra-wide 20mm lens, perfect for handheld vlogging at arm's length, and Sony's face-tracking autofocus locks onto you instantly, ensuring you stay sharp even while moving. The camera also includes a flip-out screen, clear built-in microphones with a windscreen, and 4K video recording with impressive stabilization. Features like product showcase mode and one-touch background blur prove that Sony designed this specifically for YouTubers and content creators. While the battery is modest, USB-C charging makes it easy to top up on the go. If you're a beginner vlogger, influencer, or small business owner wanting to create professional-looking videos without investing in expensive equipment, the ZV-1F is tailor-made for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Canon EOS R100, our pick for the best overall budget mirrorless camera. This model strikes the perfect balance between ease of use and advanced performance. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, lightning-fast autofocus, and the ability to shoot detailed 4K video, the R100 delivers professional quality results at a fraction of the cost of higher-end cameras. The flip-out touchscreen and clear electronic viewfinder make composing shots effortless, while its lightweight build ensures it's travel-friendly. What sets it apart is its seamless usability for both beginners and more advanced photographers. Beginners can rely on fully automatic modes and guided settings, while experienced users can take advantage of manual controls and Canon's growing RF lens ecosystem. The excellent battery life means it's ready for long shooting sessions, and its image quality easily competes with more expensive models. If you're looking for a camera that will grow with you, offering reliability and versatility across both photo and video, the Canon EOS R100 is hands down the best value choice in 2025.